Hey everyone, Greg from CarID.com and welcome back to the shop. And in today's video, we're taking a closer look at an incredibly well-designed catback exhaust for all 17 to 18 Honda Civic Si's. Now it's built and designed by the team over at AFE, and this right here is their Takeda stainless steel catback with carbon fiber tips. Now, not long ago, we had this same Civic Si in the shop to try to squeeze a little bit more power out of it, but on a budget. So to start, we installed AFE's Takeda Momentum intake, but with more air now going into the engine, we need to get it out just as fast. Plus, the stock exhaust system on this car doesn't really have that sports car sound that we're looking for. So today, we're ready to complete our budget performance buildup by installing this Takeda catback exhaust system. But before we go any further, let's look at the actual construction of this Takeda catback. Now, the first thing that I want to mention, which is a huge bonus, is this entire catback is constructed using 304 stainless steel, not only making it look good, but also more capable of standing the test of time against the elements. Now, all this piping is also 100% hand TIG welded for the utmost strength and durability. When it comes to the size of the stainless steel tubing, AFE uses 3-inch tubing for the mid-pipe, which then goes into 2.5-inch tubing right into the mufflers all the way up to the exhaust tips. Now, while we're on the exhaust tips, I want to note that this carbon fiber finish is just 1 out of 4 that are available for this Takeda catback. You can also choose from either black, polished, or even blue flame finish tips. Alright, now let's talk about how you can expect it to sound as well as your performance gains. Now, because AFE chose to use 3-inch to 2.5-inch diameter tubing for the entire exhaust system, that's definitely going to help increase exhaust flow. But they also welded in 2 free-flowing stainless steel mufflers. Now, both of those features combine to create power gains of 10 horsepower and 11 pound-feet of torque, which really is not too bad for a simple bolt-on catback. Now, not only do these mufflers help increase exhaust flow, but these right here are what give you that amazing sound. Now, I want to be clear that if you're looking for a subtle but nice exhaust note, this kit is not for you. This exhaust system is designed to be loud, very loud. Now, AFE advertises this exhaust as an incredibly aggressive sound. So if you're looking for that crazy sports car sound and are okay with a little bit of a drone on the highway, then this Takeda catback should be perfect for you. But to make sure you like it, watch all the way to the end of this video to hear how it sounds before and after the install. Now, speaking of the install, let's go over the process of how you can get this catback on your Civic. Now, the good news is this Takeda exhaust is a direct bolt-on and there is 0 welding required. Now, to get started, you need to remove your factory exhaust system. That's going to require unbolting the mid-pipe from the cat and then just removing all of the exhaust hangers and lowering the entire assembly out of the car. Now, with that out of the way, start bolting up your new catback exhaust, starting with the front of the vehicle with the mid-pipe. Now, I also want to note that during the installation process, make sure to leave all of the clamps loose until the entire exhaust system is in place. Then you can continue working your way back to the back of the car by installing the Y-pipe and then the rest of your new mufflers on the hangers. Once you have the new mufflers bolted together by the center bracket here, go ahead and go through the entire exhaust system and tighten up all the clamps. As soon as you double check everything to make sure you don't have any exhaust leaks of any kind, it's time to take it out for a ride and see how it sounds. Well guys, that's going to wrap up today's review of AFE's Takeda stainless steel catback exhaust. So if you're looking to get a little bit more grunt and go out of your Civic Si, head over to CarID.com now to check out this Takeda catback and the insane amount of other great performance parts that they offer. And as always, I'm Greg from CarID.com, and I'll see you guys next time in the garage.